Hello and welcome to this Click Engine review and demo. I want to welcome you to my channel. After you finish watching this video, come back and take a look around at some of the other videos I have on my site where I show how to make money. But let's jump right in here. And what are we going to talk about in this video? First, just what is the Click Engine? You may have heard of it. I heard about it months ago and, kind of thought about it, and then finally, about 5 days ago, went ahead and started. And so we're going to talk about, does it work? If you're going to join, you need to know if it works. And then also, how do you use this to make money? Okay, that's really what we're all trying to do. We're online trying to make money. And I'm going to show you some proof that this Click Engine system does work. So let's jump right over. This is the sales page for the Click Engine. It's either a 3 or 4 minute video, very short and to the point, and just gives an overview of what it is. But essentially, it's like it says here on the slide, you get 100% real buyer's traffic on autopilot. So once you set this up, it just runs on its own. As you go through, it's $4.90 a month. It is a monthly subscription, but the cost is very, very reasonable. We'll talk a little bit more about that, so keep watching. And if you click on the yellow banner here on the sales page, it'll open up new tabs where you can see what members of the Click Engine are promoting. Now, this works best for make money online and BizOp type of offers, and I'll show you some examples of those here in a little bit. There's testimonials on the sales page. There's, I think, 7 different bonuses that you can pick up, which you may find helpful or not, and then some other testimonials. Okay, so it's very straightforward sales page, but this is what it is. Now, after you purchase and join the Click Engine, you're going to submit a URL for one of your offers, and then Jeff Aman, who runs the Click Engine, is going to add that to a rotator. And then what happens is, if we go over here, every day he sends out an email. So this is today's email. Basically just says, hey, welcome, we're excited to have you. And then this orange banner, this is the rotator link that your offer has been added to. And so when you click on this link, it's going to pull up a new offer. Okay? And so here's an offer, and every time you, let me just close that out. Every time you click on this, because it's a rotator, it just rotates through and opens up a brand new offer every single time. And like it says, every time you click, a new member's offer will come up. They do put in some special promo codes and things throughout, so it's kind of incentivize you to click. And the other thing that started doing as well is every day in the email, you could get one of these member spotlight, one of these 3 member spotlight banners, and these are people that are active, right? So it gives you some incentive to be clicking this every day, because he can track he uses Click Magic, and so he can see who is actually clicking on this, how often, how frequently, and then he can choose to put them in this member spotlight. Because I think these definitely get clicked on in the email every day. I know I click on them, and I usually will go through and click this many times every day just to see. So now let's talk about, so that is, what is the Click Engine? That's what it is. You join, you put your offer, get your offer URL added to the rotator, and then every day an email goes out and people will click. And these are buyers. These are people that have also bought the Click Engine, and so they're clicking on these links. Now, when I first heard about the Click Engine, at first I was a little skeptical, because I was like, okay, why are people who bought the Click Engine, why are they going to be clicking on other stuff? They're trying to sell their own stuff, so why are they going to be clicking on other people's? So that kind of, in my mind was, does it work? Are people going to be actually clicking on these emails? Well, keep in mind, when people are making money online, especially if they're kind of starting out or trying to get traction, they are open to looking at other opportunities, other ways that maybe they could make money online. Maybe something that's better. Maybe they have something they're promoting. Maybe they're not totally sold on it, or they're struggling for whatever reason. And so they're looking for other things, right? And so that is why it will work, okay? And that's why it does work. And so let me just show you some proof. And so, as I mentioned earlier, when you join Click Engine, you submit your offer URL to Jeff. He puts it into Click Magic. rotator, and then he sends you your ClickMagick links. Okay, so these are my links that are in the rotator, and you can see the traffic I'm getting. Now, again, I joined on the 21st. My offer, the first time my offers would have been seen was the 22nd, which really is maybe 4 or 5 days ago. Let's just say 5 days, okay, for easy math. And I've gotten 17 unique clicks to this offer in 5 days. So I'm getting just over 3 clicks a day. Now, I know that may not sound like a lot, but if you take 3 clicks a day, let's just go back and do a little math, right? Let's say if you get 3 clicks per day for 30 days, then you're going to be getting 90 clicks. So almost 100 clicks, right? Now, I've probably really only been in the rotator, to be honest, 4 days. So again, I joined the 21st, I got added to the rotator probably the 22nd, or was first seen on the 22nd. And so, basically then I'm getting 4 clicks a day, right? And so that, if we go back and do the math, 4 clicks a day would actually be more, over 130, be like 120 clicks, okay? So it's actually, pretty good. And I have got a few opt-ins as well. Opt-in rate, I can't say is really great. It's probably about 20%. But I am getting opt-ins. Okay, and so this is one offer. This is this offer here. And this is the kind of offer you want to have in the Click Engine, is you want something very simple, very straightforward, something to grab their attention, a call to action, put the email in, get the free video, and that's it. Okay, it's real simple. Here's my other one. This promotes List Infinity, which is a great system. I'll put that in the link below, in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want. Again, it's got 17 clicks as well. Now you can also see where these clicks are coming from. Tier 1 countries, Tier 2 countries, Tier 3 countries, so a variety of traffic. But again, 17 clicks, a few opt-ins, and that's going to this. Again, very simple landing page, little scarcity, a hook, get 100, build your list, pays you 100% commissions, put your email address in. It's very straightforward. One page, this is what you want, okay? Now, again, if we go back, I think, we did click on one, and I'll show you maybe another example here of how you don't want to do it. So this isn't bad, it's pretty straightforward. So that's not a bad one. But every once in a while, you'll see things that are really like sales pages, right? So this is kind of one. It's fairly straightforward, but you do have to scroll down, and there's lots of information on here, way more. You want to keep it very simple, right? People either need to see it and then either take action or not. So really, you do want to have, I think, just some very simple, straightforward, make money online, biz op type of offers. Build your email list. That's really what Click Engine is meant for. It's not necessarily to get sales directly, but you get sales in the follow-up, right? And that's really where the money is. It's in the follow-up. So use it to build your email list and then have a good follow-up series in place where you can make the sales, okay? So does it work? Yes. I'm getting clicks. I'm probably getting, again, about 100 or so clicks per month. Much, much cheaper, right? And that's the thing about the Click Engine. They've kind of position themselves in a median point price range, right? $4.90 per month is really not much, you can swing that. If you could get 100 clicks for $4.90, that's pretty good. If you go out and buy a solo ad, you're going to pay around 50 cents per click. So to get 100 clicks, you're going to pay about $50 for that solo ad. Well, $5 is much cheaper than $50 to get 100 clicks. So I'd rather, get my traffic here. Now, it's obviously much better quality traffic than you're getting through these free traffic methods. If you're using like traffic exchanges, safe lists, things like that, it's going to be higher quality traffic. Maybe not as high quality as if you're doing ads, solo ads, or YouTube ads, or Facebook ads, Bing ads, but much, much cheaper, because those ads are going to be costing really in the $1 to $2 per click range. So they've kind of positioned themselves in a nice middle of the road. So does it work? Yes. Now the other thing you can do is promote it as an affiliate. And when people join the Click Engine, you make 50% commission on any sales in the sales funnel. And so if you could, get 2 people started, boom, now you're getting all your traffic for free because your commissions that you earn are paying for your monthly subscription. So it can be a moneymaker not only from getting opt-ins on your opt-in page offers and then having a good follow-up email series where you can make sales and money, but also by promoting it as an affiliate. So that is how you can make money in those 2 ways. Build your email list with a nice follow-up series, number 1, and then number 2, promote it as an affiliate, okay? And we saw the proof in my Click Magic accounts. Yes, I am getting clicks, I am getting traffic. So if you're interested at all in the Click Engine, I will have a link in the description box below this video. Please click on that. I appreciate that. It is my affiliate link, and if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate you using it. So thanks so much for that. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much. And I'm trying to grow the channel, so if you are willing to subscribe, I'll try to come out with new information that hopefully will help you in your journey to making money online as well. Thanks so much for watching.